In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse folders in Wrike. If you work with a lot of projects or folders in Wrike, your workspace can get cluttered very quickly. Collapsing folders is a simple but powerful way to keep things organized and make it easier to focus on just what you need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do that, and I'll also share a few tips to help you stay organized as you go. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you're in a view where you can see the folder tree on the left-hand side. This is usually called the navigation panel or folder tree, and it shows all your spaces, projects, and folders in a hierarchical list. Now, locate the folder that you want to collapse. You'll notice that folders containing subfolders or projects have a small arrow icon displayed to the left of the folder name. This arrow indicates whether the folder is currently expanded or collapsed. When the arrow is pointing downward, it means the folder is expanded and all of its contents are visible underneath. When it's pointing to the right, that means the folder is collapsed and its contents are hidden from view. To collapse a folder, simply move your mouse over to that small arrow beside